Hello friends, welcome to Alltricks. Today we are going to learn how to create a multi-boot USB drive or multi-boot pen drive. So what is it and why it is used? Why we are creating this? This is the first thing which we'll be talking about. So a multi-boot USB drive is a pen drive which will contain multiple operating system. You can boot from it. It might contain a pre-installation environment. You can use that to fix your system. So these kind of things can be done with multi-boot and drives. It can contain, basically all of the supported operating system. It contains the operating system ISO files which you will be putting on the pen drive, and there is nothing much which you have to do from your end. All of the stuff will be done by the tool which is called Ventoy, and which we'll be using today to create a multi-boot disk. So let's see how it's done. So the first thing we'll need here will be Ventoy tool. So I'm going to my browser and download Ventoy. Just doing a search for Ventoy. This is the first item, which is Ventoy. Since I'm on a Windows system, I'll be downloading a Windows version for this one. And if you see the website, it supports 580 plus ISO files, and there is a list. If you want to refer, you can go here, click on this link, and you can see the list. Okay, and now you can see the features it has. It's 100% open source and simple to use. Yeah, it's actually very simple to use. And if you can see, it supports UEFI as well as legacy boot. So that is one good thing. It will work on older system and newer system as well, so no issues there. And it has many other features. We'll not go through these things. We'll just go directly to download. Okay, now here you see there are multiple items. So one is Ventoy Windows zip. We will download this one. We have this second option which we can download on Linux, and we can use that to create a multi-boot USB drive. Then we have a live CD also, so we can just use this one to create live CD. I'll be going to download the Windows one. It will take us to GitHub. You can see here are the files. So I'll download this 10 MB file. Download is about to finish, so it's finished now. You can see this is the file. I will extract it simply in this 7-zip because it's very fast. So done. This is the folder where we have our installed file is there. Now we have to simply click on this application Ventoy to disk.exe. Double click it. Ventoy in package. This is the Ventoy which will be installed to our disk. Ventoy in device. We don't have installation here. You can select your device. I have two devices here, D drive and G drive. I want to install Ventoy on D drive. J is a hard disk, USB hard disk, so I don't want to install Ventoy there. And make sure you select the correct disk, because if you write on wrong disk, you may lose your data. So this is one warning from my end. Now I'll select the disk and I'll click on install. Disk will be formatted and all data will be lost. Continue. Yes, I want to. And there is a double warning again, so I will click yes again. So that is one part. We are done with the Ventoy installation. Click on OK. Now one part is done. Now we have to go back to our pen drive. So I'll take you to my computer. Then to my pen drive, and I have to copy those ISO files which I have already downloaded and placed on my desktop. So it's here. These are the ISO files. I'll copy all of them. It will take little time, so let's wait for a few minutes. I have increased the speed of video so that it won't get too long. You can see now copy is about to finish, and once this is finished we are done. Now we are done with creating a multi-boot pen drive, and we will go and test it now. Okay, so this is the pen drive which we created just now using Ventoy. Now what to do? First of all, set to boot from USB. So my system is already set to boot from USB, so I will just plug in the pen drive to USB port and I will switch on my system, and it should automatically land to Ventoy page where I will be able to see all the files, ISO files which I added to the pen drive. There we go. The system is switched on, and here it is, the Ventoy landing page, and we'll select Ubuntu here to show, or we can just boot it from the pen drive now. So I'll be putting the video in very fast forward mode because it will take little time to boot up and go to the desktop screen, and I'll just select one more operating system from Ventoy after this is done. So here we are on Ubuntu's desktop screen. Let me reboot it. Now we'll boot to Puppy Linux. So here we have landed to Puppy Linux desktop as well. So these were the couple of tests done after creating a multi-boot USB drive, and they are successful. It means it works perfectly. So I'll be signing off today, and I'll be back with a new video for you guys. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification. Please like the video, share. Thank you.